Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mazda CX-9 Luxury, stock reference number 3022. This shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the bonnet, which has two small dents, front bar reinforcement, headlight, halogen-type, left hand guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, non-heated type, left front door has one small dent, left rear door also has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 20-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar cut out. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, and it does have the neck inside the vehicle. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has three small dents, and the right power door mirror, non-heated type. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls with seat heaters, factory sat nav unit with DVD, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. It's got a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons, and it's also got factory leather DVD screens in the headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.